Introducing Kair Round Connectors, available in 100, 125 and 150mm sizes. Perfect for effortlessly connecting your ducting systems. Designed for a secure push fit, these connectors fit inside the ducting, creating a seamless join between pipes. Watch as the connector is push fit between two round pipes, leaving only a thin line where they meet. These connectors are ideal for a range of ducting projects. See how each size easily connects, providing a versatile solution for different pipe dimensions. Connecting flexible ducting is just as easy. For a stronger connection and an easier fit, fold one row of the flexi inwards before inserting the connector into the hose. Then secure it with a hose clip for a firm, reliable fit. Need to transition from round to rectangular ducting? No problem. The Kair Round Connector works seamlessly with our round to rectangular adapters, ensuring a smooth connection. Kair Round Connectors, your versatile choice for reliable and flexible ducting connections. Available at your local retailer.